Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. In this video, I want to go over 3 ways that you could make money during this crazy time. I know a lot of people are out of work, and I wanted to talk about how you could make money during this time because I know a lot of people are struggling. So starting off, we have trading. What is trading cryptocurrency all about? Basically, it's all about using the right indicators to find when a coin is under or overvalued. Now, for this, I personally use TrendSpider. That makes it the easiest, in my opinion. You can see they do a lot for you. All these lines up here, I didn't even have to draw. They do it all for you. And if you're looking to start making money trading cryptocurrency as well as Forex, stocks, TrendSpider has it all, and I have a discount code with them. So if you want to try out trading cryptocurrency, if you want to try trading off Forex, if you want to try trading stocks, whatever, again, not financial advice, but I do have a link with them where you will get a discount for doing it. You could pay by the month, or you could try a free software. There are free options out there, but I personally like TrendSpider the best because it makes it so easy and it really helps you learn. They have seminars, they have live classes. If you do want to start trading, I would highly recommend TrendSpider. Next one up is Dash App. This is another really interesting project. This is an app that is on iOS and Android that I actually, again, have a code for, where if you use my code, you will get a $5 bonus. You get a free $5 just for using my link down below. What this app does is basically whenever you buy something, if that company is registered with Dash, you earn money back. So far, I've earned like $30 back, and I've only had it for a few months. So definitely check this out. Now, the last way is a little bit different, and this is something that is actually going to be more of a business, all right? And that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my main source of income right now, and it is something that you can make a lot of money doing, hundreds of dollars a day. It is a little bit intimidating to start, and so because of that, I do have a program, again, in the description. Everything mentioned here will be linked in the description. I have a program that will basically take you from 0 to 100 when it comes to affiliate marketing. There's people making thousands of dollars a day, and it's basically could be a real source of income for you. You could really replace your main job, never have to go to that 9 to 5 again. That will also be in the description. If anyone has any questions about any of these services, definitely do comment down below. Hope everyone's doing well and have a great day.